How to redeem a gift in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem different coupons. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now here you'll be able to see the option called Amazon gift. Simply tap on Amazon gift. So here this is the section where you can redeem a gift card. Simply tap on redeem a gift card. Now first you must enter the code in order to redeem it. So make sure it's a valid code, so you can get codes from different people around the world. So there might be some influencers who might give you certain discount and some products. So simply enter the code and tap on apply to your balance and you'll be all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.